Welcome. Sorry, I had some delays. Sorry, I'm late 2 minutes, but I had a package arrived, so I had to pick it up. All right. What is happening? First of all, let me say that yesterday there was an issue with Apex, with rhythmic connection. Apex has reset every account that has been in a trade after 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So most likely, if any of you guys had an issue with Apex evaluation accounts, it should have been reset by now to the previous day balance. So that's it. Anyway, they extended the sale until Monday the 3rd, so the 90% is still on. Let's see what's happening. Nasdaq, well, was interesting yesterday, the PM session. Nice drop. Peter, good morning. Happy Friday to you too. And by the way, yes, it's Friday. Thank God it's Friday situation. So, hope everybody's doing great. So, what can we expect from Nasdaq or from anything else in this matter? Pretty much down, and we took out some sell side. Also, yeah, in Asia session we took out a sell side here. Liquidity sweep is done. On the 1 hour there is one more area down there, here, just kind of like a sell side liquidity level at 447. Otherwise, I think it could drop, why not? Especially on the 5 minute, it broke lower. I would not be surprised if this one would go lower from here. We have relative equal highs here, almost like 3 times, 1, 2, 3 on the 5 minute. Look at that. But we have these swing lows and we have some fair value gaps down here. Pretty interesting. This could be an Asia low as well. Some good targets, to be honest. Some very, very good targets. So, yeah. This level is quite interesting. Could be going higher. Now it looks like it. DM, you're short from 554. 54. That's a good area. That's actually a good area to go short from. We broke lower on the 5 minute here. So I can imagine that, this goes lower, down to the 500s maybe. Yeah. Or below the 500s. What was the low? It was 502. It does look good for a short. Honestly, I might even take it. Why not? I have an evaluation account for having fun like this. Yeah, why not? Why not? Okay, it's going higher. And the high is at 69. And the low should be at 500. If it goes down there. All right. I'm very confident that the short trade. Yeah, I also see that it's a very significant level. Also, we have that fair value gap down below 450. Only thing that concerns me is the equal highs up here, but it's a very significant Asia low. If you think about it, like in the past 4 hours, it tried to push up, created these equal highs, but you know, running out of steam, could be dipping lower here. Since it's Friday and we're having fun, I thought I'm going to enter as well on this one. So I'm going short as well. Why not? There you go. Oh, you guys can see it. All right. Okay. So I'm going short also on this one, and I'm actually targeting the 502 down there, only with micros as always. Let's see. Let's see what happens. And I think, okay, so this is the 5 minute. Yeah, so the 5 minute should be all right here. Okay, okay. We're gonna stay with this. It definitely seems like that's a level that wants to be taken out. Stop loss is 59. Yeah, I have a little bit higher the stop. I want to see if it really wants to go up there. Although your stop is very good too at 59, 60. Yeah, that's a good area. Actually, if it trades above 60, it could very well be that it goes higher. I'm willing to risk a little bit more on this trade. So that's it. How is everybody, by the way? How you guys doing? The TOPSTEP sale ends today, that's for sure. At least that's what they said on Discord. They're not extending it. So if you want to grab your 50K evaluation or combine account, sorry, that's 29 bucks. Check the pin message, go for the link, and you know, use the code. Oh, the link is not even there. I'm gonna update that. I am going to update that right now. Hello, Teacher FX. Hey, how you doing? What's going on? What's going on? How is everybody? And how are you doing? I hope you had some good profit. Good morning, Marco. I literally bought one TOPSTEP challenge for taking this setup. If it hits stop loss, it's gonna be bad. Oh wow. Okay. Marco, hey there. Okay. Let me remove my previous message and replace the pin message for this. All right. So there you have the link. So last day today. Pa-pa-da, pa-pa-da. Well, I don't see any other setup actually. So, hi Mountain Trader. Hey Trader G. Welcome guys. Pinned at New York low. Well, yeah. New York low. What was it? Yeah, it was here in this area. PM low here, definitely we're stuck here. We're stuck here. I just, you know, I just see that level down there that it's still pretty significant. Asia session could not push more on this one higher. The drop could continue. Although if you look back for all the Fridays, I mean for the recent ones, like almost every Friday, just check on it guys. It's you're gonna be amazed because I checked it. Like 90% of the Fridays, if you look back this year, was bullish. More than 90% actually, almost 100% from the London session. So by the PM session, New York, more than 90% of the time we ended up bullish. Like almost all the Fridays. Hey JX, hey Joseph. Yeah, I'm in a short. Sir Burnson, hey. Egyszerűen én úgy csinálom, hogy hozzáadtam M-Futures-et választottam, de választhatsz teljesen mindegy. Megmutatom. Apex Chicago area. Rhythmic. Én Ampot választottam, ne kérdezz miért. De Rhythmicet is választhatsz. És így. És ott megadod az azonosítódat, a Rhythmic jelszavadat, és így lépsz be. De választhatod a Rhythmicet is, ugyanígy. A Rhythmic alatt is beléphetsz. Amp alatt is beléphetsz, teljesen mindegy. Ennyi. Joseph was just asking about how to log in from Quant Tower. Server is Chicago. Chicago server. I'm looking for the next order block in 5. Yeah. Well, let's look to the left. If we look to the left, there is technically an order block here, by the way, from 516 from the 15th of May, which went down here and then goes up. So technically, if you look at this, this is an order block here. So what we do like about order blocks is they do like to be taken out. And the low of the order block is at 447. This is the last defense, and if you look below the order block, there is one more juicy thing. Liquidity void right here. You know, guys, I like these kind of things here. Liquidity void. On the 15th of May, there was some news here, might be. No trading in this area at 410. So we have a liquidity void as well. So I'd say, you know, if they really want to drop it, or the market really wants to drop, I mean, that's a good opportunity to go down there. Of course, if it doesn't, that's cool too. Absolutely fine. I'm good with it. I'm absolutely okay with it. So let's see. So as you may know, if anybody had, I mean, most of you guys had, just like I am, issues with Apex after 8:30 news. All those accounts has been reset to the previous day, end of day balance, or if you bought it that day, has been reset to the starting balance, which is a good thing. And that's why I said it wasn't a good experience for sure, but fortunately Apex resolved it by resetting everybody. I know it could be frustrating, but yeah, what can we do? They said the support tickets were pouring in, like thousands and thousands of support tickets. So they just decided to reset everybody. Good morning, Anna. And by the way, MyFundedFutures begun the June promo, which means 20% off for expert accounts, which gives you a 50K expert account, which includes the activation fee for $132. You know, that's something to look at. We're not talking about that too much, but we should. It's definitely a good choice. Okay, so as I said, I think we are going down. Diamond hands, everyone. This trade I like so far. Actually, I want to see the 500 being broken, but I will be absolutely fine if this just goes down and takes out the low there. And by the way, also, please push blah 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 blah. I can't speak. Please push the like button, subscribe to the channel. Last day of the month. Let's have an awesome Friday. It's too expensive for the majority of people. Yeah, but the thing is, and you're absolutely right, Anna. The thing is that, you know, if you look at, for example, the expert account, and if you look at the activation fee as a whole, it's definitely cheaper. But I get it because, you know, with cheaper upfront cost at Apex or at BULENOX or whatever, right now even at TOPSTEP, with a cheap upfront cost, maybe like you have more chance to pass through the evaluation phase. But yes, I get it totally. The cheap upfront cost is definitely is a good thing. Oh, I like how you said it. That is great. Yeah, JX. That is exactly the way to say it. Apex and BULENOX, they make it less expensive to fail. I like that expression. So that's why I used to say, like, if you're skilled enough, and I mean, if you feel like you're skilled enough and you think you can pass the evaluation account in 30 days without YOLOing, then true cost of funding is definitely cheaper with MyFundedFutures. But if you're only looking for a cheap upfront cost fee, by having more chances to pass the evaluation account, then of course, understandable. Less expensive to fail. I like that. I like that. That is true. Less expensive to fail. You guys might be traded, I mean, not too long ago, when Forex prop firms were more and more popular than now. And you guys know that, for example, let's go with, I don't know, Funded Next, for example. I'm not saying they're good, but I mean, they might be good. I don't know. Funded Next. Let me check. Funded Next, one-step challenge. One-step challenge. The 50K one-step challenge is $362 with no time limit, which is a good thing. So $362 for a 50K one-step challenge. At Forex. The key and challenge is to trade properly and massively size down. Exactly. Trader used to offer packages up to 12K. Oh yeah. There still are. The reason many of them failed is the nonsense that Apex experience of late. Yeah, exactly. FTMO, I mean, guys, I live in Hungary, so the Czech Republic is absolutely near, few hours drive, and I used to go to Prague as well. I have some friends there as well, so I have some good connections in Czech, which has nothing to do with FTMO. I'm just saying, like, I'm keeping myself updated with FTMO. I checked their company background. There is a national tax report website where they have to file everything about their company, you know. And FTMO is not one company. FTMO is 5 companies, or 6, at least 5. 5 companies, you know, sued together. And FTMO is, you know, when they began the business, it was only about, they diversified. It was only about prop trading. Now, because I checked the reports, and a friend of mine who is also, he lives there in Prague, he checked a lot of things about FTMO. So guys, I can say that with confidence. FTMO now, the trading business, the FTMO is only, so here was trading business and the new companies when they started. Now trading went down. FTMO actually became one of the biggest real estate holders in Czech. They're having businesses, huge businesses in real estate. They're having businesses in online marketing. They're having business oh yeah, they bought a how do they say it in English? I have to translate this. I don't know the word right now. Mutual fund. Yeah, that's it. So they bought a Czech mutual fund, which is registered by the Czech National Bank. And so proprietary trading for FTMO, which one is that? This is proprietary trading, went down. Other businesses at FTMO went higher. They have huge amounts in real estate, mutual funds, online marketing, and other businesses. So their cash reserves are enormous, FTMO. They do not need to put down their prices to gather more people because they know they are the best, right? But still, nevertheless, they are also experiencing the same issues with MetaTrader, with licensing, you know, at the technical backend. And what I'm just saying is, no, it's not Hungarian, József, it's Czech. It's a Czech company. But I checked everything from there. And so what I meant to say is that FTMO grown to be such a big company that they can say any moment that, hey guys, thank you for being with us in the past years, but we're making so much money from real estate and mutual funds and other deals that we don't really need the proprietary trading firm anymore. So they can also sell it, or they just shut it down if they want to, and that's why they don't need to lower their prices. They don't need to. They can stay with high prices and they can say, hey guys, we don't care. We don't need to lower, we don't need to give out 50% coupons or 80% coupons or whatever. We don't need to do that. That's why they don't do it. They don't do this. So, but again, that's an understatement. Let me say this again. FTMO nowadays making way more money from other businesses because they've grown to be such a conglomerate, like 5 companies, than proprietary trading. So you can see the reports on the Czech Republic government website. They're making millions of euros each and every company they have, and proprietary trading is just a portion of the whole thing. So they've grown to be super huge. They were smart. So that's it. Yeah, they diversified. Nas is here. Good morning. For all the latest, there's no gossip. Oh yeah, Power Hour. Yeah. They are the go-to retail funding space. Yeah, they use that as a launch pad. They're really good at managing their resources. They bought another prop firm too. That is exactly. So FTMO started as a prop firm, and now FTMO is actually part of mutual funds, real estate, businesses. They expanded a lot. So my friend who lives in Prague checked all the reports about the companies that are sued together with FTMO, and then they have ownership in. And I don't know the exact numbers, but proprietary trading is it has begun to be a smaller portion from last year's report. A small portion. The bigger portion is real estate, guys. Rentals, commercial real estate, you know, all that stuff. And also there is some report that they also bought some car rental companies or whatever. I don't even know. So they're diversifying. And I'm just saying, they don't need proprietary trading like that much. I'm sorry, my headset just completely messed up. I don't even know where I wear this. Most of the firms that blew up on FX side were owned, controlled by Angelo. No, Angelo JX. Angelo, he's a kid. He's a kid. He may be a smart kid, but he's a kid. Angelo is a pawn. He's just a puppet. It's the same thing, right? Pawn, puppet, something like that. So he's not the real guy behind. No, and who owns? Yeah, he might be the named CEO of Eastern Tech. I heard about everything. I know Eastern Technology and everything, but in the background, and I can imagine that he's not the brain and the whole. He's not the main guy behind Eastern Tech. He has been put there, as the face. They needed somebody to be put there as a puppet, and he fit the picture perfectly. So there is more people and much smarter people behind, or was behind, Eastern Tech. So most likely it was for the money, of course, for the rug pull, but I don't know. Well, CFTC can look at, and this is the answer. This is the answer. I mean, why would I do this as a 20-year-old kid, even if I own Eastern Tech and everything? If I know what a risk I face with CFTC, SEC, whatever, even the tax office, whatever laws, Good morning, Fredent. It's because he's not the real guy. He's there on paper, and his face was used on social media, and he was doing the reports, and he thought that he owns the world, but he's not the main guy. He's gonna go to jail if he must, but he's not the main guy. That is like 1,000%. He's not the main guy. The real guy will be never known. He signed the contracts, yes, he signed. He's a 20-year-old kid. He signed millions and millions of dollars, multiple companies. Everywhere is his name. Why would he do that? Because he was not that smart after all, and he's not the real guy. Of course, I imagine that he got a lot of money, a shitload of money from this deal. And he thought that everything is going to be all right, but he's not the main guy. He's not the main guy. Create a ticket because I can't open position on BULENOX, but end of day account. As to trade, there is no extra stress. Yeah, end of day account is good at BULENOX. Do you have any opinion on where we are going next? Higher time frame? Oh yeah. Let's check it. Let's check Nasdaq. The thing is that we didn't go down to 500, and from Asia it started to push. We have relative equal highs, so don't forget it. Relative equal highs here almost like 3 times. 1, 2, 3 up here. The question remains, is the London session gonna sweep the Asia low liquidity? I jumped into the short because I think there is a chance for it to sweep that. There was a displacement. I might have jumped in early on this gap, so I thought, this could be a good one to sweep the lows. And now it seems like we're going for the relative equal highs. Still, if I get taken out from this trade, it's all right. I'm gonna be watching this level. On the higher time frame, if you look at the 15-minute, I'd say there's a fair value gap way up at 645, and a 1 hour fair value gap at 609. I'm gonna put a line here just to know what's happening. Buy side liquidity 608. Liquidity void could be going higher, but my gut feeling tells me that it has unfinished business down there. Look at this from yesterday Eastern Standard Time, 8 p.m. Asia session, trying to push, did not manage, then drop down. Maybe it can drop and you know, sweep that liquidity. It's less than 50 points. That's what I think. So I could be wrong, of course. Let's just, yeah. London has been really tricky. Oh yeah, it was. Makes it harder. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome, friend. That's what I see. But there might be others behind who, yeah, there might be other people in the Dungeons and Dragons scheme or scam. I also think that whoever runs Dungeons and Dragons website right now is a completely different entity. I mean, maybe the same people with a different name. Maybe they bought the domain and the website and the license, whatever, to restart everything. But I highly doubt that we're gonna see the Dungeons and Dragons prop firm back in the top ever again. And I would not trust a single penny on them after that. And I highly doubt that we're gonna see Angelo in the financial space soon. Maybe later, but not anytime soon. The kid has to learn the lesson. So I'm not against the 20-year-olds. It's awesome. I would like to be 20-year-old. But I think it will be a good lesson for him. I wish him well. I wish that he will recover and learn from this. But he was not honest, and I think he was very, very, well, he was dishonest, and the business model he was doing or he was involved with it was very shady. I hope he will learn from it, and that's it. I wish him well. What indicators? I'm just using the exponential moving average. Not that it really matters. This is just a 21 and the 9. I mean, it matters. It just helps me to see if there's a strong trend or consolidation. Sometimes it helps me to enter a scalp trade just to make sure that I'm in a strong trend. But that's only exponential moving average. Nothing else on this chart particularly. Here, the only thing we have is the VWAP, which I also use only for determining the trend. Right now we're sideways, so I'm not trading the VWAP. I just see it, I acknowledge it that it's there, but that's it. And down here there's a stochastic momentum index, which I don't really care about either. Actually, I'm gonna just close it. So the stochastic momentum index can mess up sometime the things, but you know, just to get a feeling of where in an overbought zone could be good. But most likely I don't even trade the VWAP. So the VWAP is mainly here because many of you guys likes to see the VWAP. I don't really care about the VWAP that much, but I see it as possible support and resistance. So right now it's just acting as support. Look at this. Bounced through support, went through resistance, went through, now it's support. Could be going for the highs. Let's see. Could be a stop loss here. How did you add the balance over your webcam? How did I add the balance? That is cool. Well, I have Quant Tower open. I have the Quant Tower balance window open. And I just selected as a window capture from OBS, that because it's a separate window, so that's how I added it. It was simple. Yeah. Yeah, that's true, Naz. You know, Naz, I don't think I'm gonna look into your strategy anymore because I think it's not profitable, but I wish you good luck with it. I think the Heiken Ashi combination with the stochastic, it's just not working. You know, it's not working. I looked into it. I think it's not profitable, but I hope you do some good profits with it. It's lagging. It's way behind. So I never going to trade Heiken Ashi again, I think, because it's just, no, I never say never, of course, but I don't think I'm going to continue to trade Heiken Ashi. Yeah, I know, Naz. I know. I stream every day, yeah, CB. You're gonna go short soon, targeting yesterday's low. All right. Igen, de az aktiváció az $800 vagy 900 a 250-esnél, a BULENOX-nál, szóval légy óvatos. $900 az aktiváció. Nézd meg. Alright. It's lagging. Nice it is. Where is that? Yeah. Igen. I like the long higher lows and higher highs. Looks like it's gonna go for that equal highs up there. So if it sweeps that liquidity, and still if it does a displacement to the downside, I could be looking into that. Hát tudom, én tudom, József, csak az itteniek nem értik, hogy miért nem. Én annyit mesélek mindenkinek a BULENOX-ról, de mindenki meg van bolondulva az Apexről, hogy de hát akkor ennyi, nem tudok jobbat. Egyébként általában drágább a Option 2. Most kivételesen ugyanannyi. Ez most tényleg kivételes. Mindig drágább az Option 2 a BULENOX-nál. Seek and destroy until PCA. Yeah, could be. Yeah, I'm currently in a short. Trying to go for those previous day low. There was a displacement on the 5-minute, and yeah, hoping that it will go down. Stop loss survived. Oh yeah, I know your stop is there. Went short here, 52. Yeah, my stop is above the equal highs, but it's a little tricky. I thought that with this displacement that was right before the kill zone, I thought we are gonna try to go for the new lows. Also, I was watching these candles on the 5-minute here, and I like that there is no huge wicks down there. So I thought, you know, you can go down more. That was the reason behind that. Oh, sorry, my entry is actually here at 549, and I'm looking for the 500 down there. Bullish divergence on RSI. Oh yeah, that could be the case. If it takes out those high, then I know, Naz, I know. All right, let's see. I'm long right now from 51. Yeah, we'll see. You know, the equal highs are definitely very tempting that it will be taken out. I know. 67 is, yeah, it's a little sketchy. I hope it will happen, Naz. I hope. I know it's sad, but don't be sad. Smoke some weed and you'll feel better. All right. 524. There's a gap down there on the 5-minute. It's 525. 525. Yeah, it will go down there. That is awesome, man. 4 grand. That is awesome. And so if you can make some good gains, I will be happy to follow. Definitely. All right. Brando, hey. You saw that Row relaunched, leveled up with allegedly what? Row relaunched, leveled up with allegedly a partner's liquidity. It's actually live funds. Live funds. Wow. Can you make me a mod for 30 seconds so I can bet? No. No, we're not doing. We like this. I would go ahead and try to do it live. Jeho has a bet here. Oh, Naz blocks me. Come on. Apex 250k, YOLO, stílusba. Igen. Azt úgy lehet csak. I know, Naz, I know. I don't get it. That's why I said I don't get your system. That's why I said it. I don't get your system, and that's why I can't trade it. Yeah, I would personally bet you 10k if you go live and trade, you will be unprofitable. Well, there's your bet. Jeho gives you the bet. Okay, still waiting for this. Actually, there's no other entry on the 5 and the 1. Not even on the 15. You look at the 15 also, it looks awesome. The low of these candles is still great, even if it sweeps the liquidity up there with the relative equal highs. I can imagine it goes down back again below the 526. Yeah. Does the 90% off Apex work for trader weight? Yeah, it does. It does, CB. Oh, Nas goes live right now. That is cool. Finally. Now, that's good. That's good, Nez. I told you if I would see how you work the system, that would be awesome because I really wanted to take notes. So that is definitely good. No, the 90% is extended after yesterday. So it's extended until Monday, the 3rd. 90% is extended, both on the 250k and the 1-day pass. It's still on, the 90%. Apex, it's still on. It only lets me do 90% off on Rhythmic. It should be working on the trader weight too. I mean, man, I don't know. And I went and bought a couple of more. Oh, that's cool. The 3 grand in an hour could go towards a better camera. If only it was real money. Oh, yeah. I feel like the ladies watching TV sellers with credit cards. Oh no. I'm sorry. I know it seems like that, but I'm still in this trade. So let's just trade. Man, this price action here is weird. I wanted to see it drop. I'm sorry. On this fair value gap, but now it's not looking good actually. 69 is pretty much in the crosshair. Anyway, I'm gonna keep my stop there. It's only micros. It's manageable. It's fine. Let's see what it does. And what else do we have? Actually, we have a possible trade on gold maybe to go higher. I'm not trading gold. I'm just checking something on a system here. On my other charts. And US 30 also goes up, I think. Is it? I'm paper trading, by the way, on US 30 right here. So this just went up. So we have a paper trade as well. I'm testing out a system and I wanted to see if it works. Let's see. Yeah, that's true, Nez. Yesterday, I lost trades, yes, but this is a this account is actually an evaluation account that has been reset by Apex to previous day, end of day. So actually I lost because I went into profit and somehow when I opened up You know, I was up, as you say, to 51.7, and I opened up the same evaluation account, and it went back. So I guess they reset my account to before. So actually I lost. I went back to the starting point. It's the same starting balance as it was yesterday. So they reset my good account as well. I don't know how. How much does she will cut my? Oh my god. Still spent less than many others. Yeah. Gold similar setup. Yeah, it's similar. Let me check here. Nas is Tom's anti-hype. No, Nas has a special personality. The chart to the left doesn't fucking lie. That's true. So Nas, we're waiting. What time does it normally start? I normally start at 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I also stream in the New York session too. Sometimes in the past couple of days I sit through until the New York session, but most of the time I close the London session around 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then come back around 8:15 New York session. So try to stick around most of the AM session in New York. Oh yeah. If NQ goes above 58, then shorts are in trouble. Yeah, definitely. Anyway, I'm gonna let this trade be. So if I get the 90% off, is that off every month on BULENOX? Every month on Apex, the recurring months are going to be 80%. So only the first month is 90%. The recurring months are 80. But BULENOX, it's lifetime 90. J.O. ban. I think your strategy is the best and you are so profitable. Now he's going to lose his ass trading gold. Who is going to lose his ass? I'm not trading gold. Let's see my strategy. I'm just trading ICT concepts. The best concepts out there, yeah. As we are waiting. Yeah, let's go live. ICT is the same as technical analysis. ICT is a marketing world, yeah. I mean, yeah, I learned a lot about his concepts, that's for sure. All the love streamers half-ass trade on YouTube. Well, that's what I said many times, Nez. If you let me know, because I'm truly no troll. I want to be in your. I want to watch you, and I will definitely check out if you can make that kind of profit with your system. I will be taking notes. That's a real promise from my end. I will be taking notes, and I will learn as much as I can. Come on. Hey, Emily. No, nothing. You know. Tom knows my shit works, and we even did. We had one trade. That's cool. Actually, 2 trades. So I'm just checking the whole picture. Yeah, I don't know. I just can't trade your system. I had to realize. Yesterday I tried, by the way, on a sim account with Quant Hour. I mean, not evaluation, just a real sim account. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the entries properly, but maybe the 5-minute. I don't want you to tough now. Okay. Okay. Haven't hit a day less than 1K using only time price, but I got no hate for any other strategy, even as cringe as some might look. ICT at a fair value good, that's it. Others are same. Yeah, I mean, definitely ICT. I must say ICT is a good teacher. Some of his concepts I realized that are being repackaged by him, maybe like in a good way. I can say that. I like the way he done that. So Nas keeps the chat active. I swear, Nas, I banned in so many chat. Like, okay. Great for the YouTube algo. Yeah, it's actually good for the YouTube algo. So Nas keeps the chat active. That is something that the YouTube algo likes. I've never once been positive in London futures, yet here I am trying in London. Well, we are all trying. We all want to understand and figure out this thing, you know. That's why we're here. That's why we're here. We want to do this. We want to be profitable, and that's why we're here. Honestly, I'm grateful for the ICT concepts, even though I found out that some of his concepts are old concepts that has been repackaged, in a humble opinion. But still, I found that I really liked his teachings. So. Okay, your session is the only session we would trade with futures. Oh, thank you. Or maybe it was for Nas. Yeah. Also, speaking of ICT, it is not enough to study it for a year. For example, I'm trading 6 years. Last year in the ICT about 14.2. Yeah, there is a lot more about a fair value gap. Yeah, there is definitely a lot more about to it. So at least we know that Nas is going to stream, and I will look that. So let us know. Sajnos nem lehet eltüntetni. Tudom, mire gondolsz, nekem is fent van, csak azért nem látjátok, mert kitakarja ott minden, de nekem is ott van fent, be van ékelődve. Nem jöttem rá, sajnos. Igen, nem tudom eltüntetni. Én se tudtam. Alright, what are your stats on London versus New York? London is bad for me nowadays. Last year in October, November, also in December, London was good for me. This year, technically I mess up everything in London, really. And, you know, I mess up in London and I try to recoup everything back in New York sessions. So that's definitely something I journaled down this year, that the London sessions are way worse this year for me than it was last year. The setups are just not playing out. London is not moving or goes the opposite way as I predicted the draw on liquidity, or anticipated the draw on liquidity. So everything is working the opposite way in the past several weeks, or I should say months, which is crazy. New York is better this year for me, I would say. All these concepts, some are refined and made better. Yeah, Jeho. So, but it's still good as he describes it. I also watch your Steam. Naz is going to live stream today. That's good. That is good. Still hovering here, nothing special. This trade is looking good on the Dow, but that's just paper trading. Unfortunately, it's pulling the Nasdaq up as well. So what else do I have? I did have a setup on gold, or did I? No, I didn't. No setup. All right, no setup. I just thought I had one, but no, I didn't. Let me check if I had something on the Russell. No, I didn't. Okay, currencies are down. Okay. It seems like gold could be going higher. Anyway, I'm gonna stick around with this one. I too had to recover in New York. Yeah, I effed up a lot in London. Hey Raul, just wanted to say thank you. Do you remember that I asked you a lot of things about funded accounts? Like, yeah, I think. What, 16 accounts? Raul, done with 16 accounts? You got Raul. Raul, did you get funded with 16 accounts? That is awesome, man. Raul, congratulations. Let me give you an applause. Congrats. Congratulations. By the way, guys, today is the last day. It's really the last day for TOPSTEP. They're not going to do this promo again. 29 bucks for a 50K combine account. Pin message shows the link. If you could support the stream, just click on the link and use the code 5express funded accounts is the code. You can use it 5 times maximum. Apex extended the sale until Monday. BULENOX ends today, 90% lifetime. And MyFundedFutures gives you 20% discount on the expert accounts. Okay. S1 stream he can trade. If he does, he will lose. Oh, I really hope he does some profits, because that's why I was checking his system. I was curious about the results. Apex actually reset the accounts that were affected yesterday, if that's what you're asking, Anna. So yeah, very good job, bro. Take it slow, and 16 accounts. You're awesome. You're awesome. Once funded with TOPSTEP, does daily loss limit, or the daily loss limit stays once you're funded, Francis. If you pass the minimum threshold, it still stays. For example, on a 50K account, you make $10,000. Your daily $1,000 threshold still stays. The daily limit. Yeah, you're welcome. Which is actually sometimes good, because it prevents you from overtrading, pretty much. Of course, they said that if they see consistency by someone, you can ask support to remove or extend the daily loss limit if you want to. For example, you put your balance up to like $55,000, so like $5,000 profit. You can ask support to move your daily stop out level to $2,000, so you will have more wiggle room. They will do that for you if they see that you're consistently trading. Yeah, MyFundedFutures expert account is, if you feel skilled enough and no consistency rule, no withdrawal cap, you can make as much money as you want. No scaling rule either. No daily loss limit. Really, I know it's more expensive upfront, but if you're skilled enough, you feel that you can pass it under 30 days, you can now get you can get a 50K account for $132 with the promo right now, which is and you can have resets for 30%. 30% is the reset also, and 20% off. Valid all June, all month. So go check it. Check it. Well, the no activation fee, but it's included in the price. So that's the catch, actually. The activation fee is included in the price. So even if you compare it with Apex or TOPSTEP, but the way we talked about it, it's less expensive to start with Apex and BULENOX. Less expensive to fail with Apex and BULENOX, that's for sure. So that's why I'm saying, if you feel skilled enough and you want to go for bigger profits with more freedom, then the expert account is definitely for you. Let's see. Morning, Richard. Is that possible to copying the eval? Okay, yes, of course. You can't trade and you didn't lose the account. The next day you start trading clean. Yeah. I think this loss limit lock-in is yeah, actually it prevents you, Josef, it prevents you from you know, going totally full tilt, because you just can't do anything. You're just stopped out for the day. So it's not a bad thing if you sometimes deal with emotions like I do as well. So does Alpine gets to keep the 11K he made on one of his accounts and 8K for the rest of the... I don't know. So far I made profit yesterday and I got reset. So I have been resetted, although my account was in profit. So anyway, I'm not gonna complain. it's milk under the bridge. So that would be no for a prop. I like when that's the way you get more freedom. Yeah, I understand, Francis. I understand. The payout system is good though. Yeah, it's very good. Dakota from TOPSTEP shorted 30 minis. 30 minis. Wow. From his phone. 30 minis. My God. I signed up for a 50k account on TOPSTEP. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. What is the crime? Thank you. Make sure. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. What is the crime? And thank you everybody who was supporting this month. Really appreciate it. Thank you guys and gals. Everyone got reset. Yeah, the profit are gone. Actually, I was in profit on this particular account that you guys see right here. This account was almost at 52k yesterday, and now it got reset for yesterday's starting balance, which was 921, and I was almost at 52k yesterday, so it got reset as well. So what can I do? What can I do? Alright everybody, please, if you can help out the stream, push the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Let's push it. Thank you, ERP. Thank you, ERP. How you doing? How you doing? How is everything going on? Still waiting for this drop. Let me see my paper trade. Oh no, it's going against me. Francis, there was a reset on many accounts that were having trades yesterday after 8:30 a.m. news release at Apex. There was a huge rhythmic issue all across the board, and you know, positions were not closed, ghost trades came up, you know, stop losses were triggered, whatever. It was a carnage, and I made profit, but anyway, Apex decided to reset everything because that was such a everybody. Even the Discord was turned off because everybody was spamming like crazy. Yeah, Cosmo. Are you trading at New York Open? Yes, I'm trading at New York Open too. Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna sit through all day. Yesterday I was super tired and I did the same thing before that. So I was sitting here 8 and 9 hours. That's too much only for trading, even though I like to stream here with you guys. But yeah, Francis, it was crazy. Yesterday's low is in the crosshair. So I like to see the 500 actually down there. Rhythmic does always have issues. Yeah. I don't know what we could do about it, but the thing is that I like to copy trade with Quant Tower, and my TP is 515. Okay, that's a good area. 515. Maybe I should put my TP as well down there. If it drops, we totally went through the London Open. 602 minis on Nasdaq. J-Ho, congratulations. Nice job, nice job, nice job. I fell asleep on your stream when I woke up in New York. I was still in the stream. Yeah, I don't know. I was it's strange to say, but I did not have anything else to do, and I was not in the mood to do my errands in the city, so I just wanted to sit here and stay, and I got stuck here for the PM session. Sorry, not the PM. For me, it's PM for the New York AM session. So I said to myself, why should I turn off the stream? Because in an hour, I should be turning it on again. Why should I turn it off? Let it play out. We will hit yesterday low. Yeah, I think so. I think as we should be hitting yesterday's low. Using 2000 ticks on ES, and I'm wondering if I can try NQ. Well, that's a good question, ERP. Sometimes for ES, I think, especially the 2000 tick chart could be a little bit slow. I don't know. I'm just guessing. Could be a little bit slow, I think. Also 2 minis short, up around 800, 1500. All right. 900 now. All right. I think we're going to go and take out the... my TP is going to stay at 502, guys. So... diamond hands. All or nothing, you know. Just saying, my neighbor is cutting the grass. This is the third time this week, and the dog is barking. He's using the trimmer right now. He's cutting the grass. Third time. So he did 3 times last week. That's the third time this week. So good job for him. Yeah. Yesterday low is already taken. 545. Yeah, this Asia low. Yeah, forgot to say it's Asia low. Yeah, that's Asia low right there. It's an A+ setup for me. Hope it keeps falling. It should be taken. I like that the 500 is like a nice whole number, right? And it did not manage to touch it. It went down to 502 ish. Actually, what was the low? The low was 502.50. So it was having a hard time pushing it back, and now London opened up. I could imagine that market just wants to go one more. Let's go drop. MF. Mother Tucker. Let's drop. Guess who's silent now? Oh no, don't tease him. Come on. All right. Let's go. No, I think he's here. I think he's in the background. He's washing the dishes. He told that already. He's doing the dishes. Okay, let's go. Let's drop some more. Drop some more, come on. Is there a sim account to be used in Quant Tower? I'm sorry, I was using one. I used one yesterday, but it was I mistakenly said the wrong. I was used it in NinjaTrader. In Quant Tower, there is a version to open a sim account, I think. Let me check it. That's the symbol. There should be a way to open. Come on, let me check. I know I did it once. Connection is duplicate, required connection option. Okay. Simulation? No, that's a simulation. That's not it. Maybe you have to register. Épp azt nézem. Egyszer sikerült, de lehet, hogy NinjaTraderben volt. I'm trying to check out how to add a demo account in Quant Tower or with Rhythmic. Although might have to. Yeah, Ninja, you get a demo 100k. I know I did it once, or maybe it was different. Hold on. Because we have the trading simulator. No. Maybe I had I think I registered with MFutures demo account and I connected through Quant Tower. So I think that's how I did it, as I remember. So what I did is I went to MFutures, I think, and I started a simulated free trading account. You just have to register to MFutures, and they send you, they give you a 30-day free account with 50k, and you can connect through Quant Tower. So that's how I did it, I think. I promised myself to only trade after Asia high low is taken out. Yeah, that's a good plan. Only YM took out Asia high with SMT, but I would prefer that. Correlation with ES, yeah. Patience, yesterday low will come. It is in the crosshairs. Oh, let me go back to here. to the trade. This is the 5-minute chart, because we can watch the 1 minute, but there's, I mean, not too many things happening there. So I'm just waiting for this. The algorithm is locked on to 502. Let's see. Going to wait. Prasad, hey there. The XY still longish, yeah. I found there's a trading simulator. Yeah, but is that that's like past data, right? So, Prasad, I'm doing good. Hope you're doing good too. I called out that short at 52 in chat with stop at midnight open. Yeah, that's true. You called that out. J-Ho called the short out. You're fine. All right. I think there's no, I mean, there's no stopping until 502 on this one. It just has to take it out, you know. There's no other way. For this to play out. Any retraces up now will be going lower, yes. How far are we? It should be dropping. Yeah. Let's go. Please push the like button, everyone, and subscribe to the channel. Let's push it. Let's push it. It's free to do. Help out the stream. Push it to the moon. Come on. 20 more points. Let's go. Don't tease him, J.O. Don't tease him. I'm FanTab. I've been short 6 micros for 3 hours. All right, then you should be making some profit now, at least. Come on, let's burst through that 500. It needs to go through 500. There's no other way. There's no other way. Diamond hands, everybody. Come on. Finally, right? Yeah. Let's go, everyone. My 2-minute short is up 1300. My TOPSTEP combine account looks solid, breaking my rules. Careful with those rules, Emily. Don't break them. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Don't stop here. Go back. Go back down. Not up. Yeah. Go down. I think it could push down 450, but I'm getting out 503. Oh, you're getting out 503. I'm getting out 502. Should I modify my stop to 502.50? 0.50, so 2 ticks. Give it time. It will hit. I know it will hit. I know. I'm so certain that it will go through 502, like, you know, personalized guarantee. No. That would be financial advice. No, it's just a game. It's a simulated account. This is demo. I'm an idiot. I don't know what I'm talking, and this is just entertainment purposes. So, no guarantee. This can just shoot up to 20K in 20 seconds. So no. Up 1500, nice. TP got hit. Oh wow. I even got the challenge account. Congratulations, DM, and I have to give you an applause. DM. And everybody who's up. Emily has the TP. You know what, Emily? We've been in this. I mean, yesterday you were in this alone. All right. I want to be with you in this endeavor. So I'm going to modify my TP with 2 ticks to 0250. There you go. I modified my final TP is 02.50. So Emily, let's go through this together. All right. Let's hold each other's hand. Let's take the profit together on this one. Okay. Good morning, Michael. Full house. Okay. FX Entropy said, all right. Long 516. Why did you have to say that, FX Entropy? Why? Why did you have to say that? And I think he's not even joking, guys. So FX Entropy, when he goes long or short, you know, when he starts to fade me, actually he's winning. So what should we do? I may have to remove his message and give him a timeout for 3 hours or something. I don't know. Everyone in chat about to bank at 502. Just don't pussy out. I'm gonna, you know, I'm all in. I don't care if it even goes back and takes me out. This is gonna be fun from here. Okay? This is gonna be real fun. Even if it takes us out. Look at that. This mother tucker is going higher. Don't get scared on the retraces. I'm telling you, the algorithm locked in at 502. All right. Nothing can stop me to hunt you down. Yeah, he was. Unfortunately, he was cutting the grass early morning, and yeah, the dog was also barking, so not a good sign. And the third bad sign is that FX and Trophy just came in and started to fade us. So that's why I'm saying I should delete his text and give him a timeout. 8 points. There you go. He's making money on our back. He's getting a free ride, you know. He's getting a free ride. Look at that. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Just joking, of course. Of course, I'm joking. Okay. How is my paper trading? Oh my god, it's terrible. Still paper trading this. All right. Gold is going sideways. Russell took out London low. Okay. Good luck in the short, guys. I'm done. DM is taking the money and he's and that's it. Do the opposite of others are doing. Simple. Actually that is a simple strategy. You know. Patrick Whelan did that. He put out the poll, is it going up or down? And he just put the opposite. And it worked for him. What about 3 time frame? 3 minute time frame, sorry. Let's check the 3 minute. 3 minute looks good also. I mean, I don't like this candle, but it still looks okay. It can. Unfortunately, it can go at least 541. I would not be surprised. We could be sitting in this trade until Monday. No, Sunday open. No, we won't. If they let us trade the German DAX on TOPSTEP, will you trade it? I will definitely trade it, Paul. I am 100,000% I'm going to trade the DAX in London session. That's not even a question. That is a scientific fact, actually. I'm going to trade it. Even if I'm going to lose everything, I'm still going to trade the DAX. How do I move the stop loss from break even? You know, you just grab it and you move it. That's how simple. Sorry, here. Daniel, hey. O2 is nothing. Down to 63. Hopefully. More action from the DAX in the London session. Yeah, Paul. Just made equal highs. It's reversing. I don't even know what to think anymore. This is just too much stress. Guys, push the like, subscribe to the channel. That's what I can do. Also, something else as well. I have to check on something. I am going to pop in an advertisement. If you see an ad, please support the stream by watching it full length and or Click on it. Thank you. Ad coming in 3, 2, 1. All right. Don't listen to them. No, Tom, I moved it to break even on TradingView. I want to move it out. That's a good question. You still should be able to grab it with the mouse or open trade await. We're risk-free on our short. I'm not risk-free. I still have my stop up there, but I'm gonna leave it as it is. Hey, Velvet Lines, do you know when TOPSTEP is bringing attacks? Not exactly, but they do said they're talking about it. They were talking about it on TOPSTEP TV, on Discord as well, that DEX should be coming. I think they will do it hopefully in June. Why not, right? Hopefully. Also heard that might be a subscription required for the data, but I don't think so. I don't think so. Nothing is confirmed. Yeah, but they said they are working on it, exactly. So I'm just saying, like, maybe in June. There was also rumors that even if they do, they might have to pay for the data. So, I mean, if you want to trade it, you might have to pay a monthly fee for the EuroX. You should be trading, Tom. You can't keep your stop loss there after that move is a losing game. That's the way. Can't keep allowing price to go all the way up there. The thing is, what I think about your opinion is that I think you're right. Okay, I'm moving my stop to break even. I don't like to go to break even, by the way, because that usually decreases the chance very much for it to reach the original target, but what can I do? What I can also do is take partials or not. No, just for the fun of it, I'm gonna leave it as it is. Yeah, it's different data from CME, so likely will be an extra charge. Yeah. It's not a free trade. Yeah, it's a free trade. It's free money. No risk. Free profit. All right, let's see. O2 will come, yes. You can consider moving your stop to 36 in case. I'm not gonna move it. I'm gonna leave it. But actually I could consider it, so that's not a bad idea. I'm gonna keep it at break even. That's for sure. Ta-dum-dum. Let's see what happens. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's go. A little bit more. Just a little bit more. Internal liquidity can be swept. Yeah, internal liquidity can be swept here still. If it needs it. It definitely feels heavy, so let's see how far can it go. We have a 15-minute BC that formed at the upside, unfortunately. Yeah, that can cause some trouble. We just need a little bit extra kick here. And it should be alright. Does BULENOX still have FIDR? No, they don't. They don't. But they have the 90% lifetime, which I was mistakenly said it wrong. So it's not just the first month, 90% lifetime. So they still have it. $502 is a good TP. It should come down there sooner or later. Yeah. I think we go to the lows before the 15-minute. Yeah, we should be. We should be taking out that low. It's very tempting. Right there. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. TOPSTEP doesn't allow to make more than 1500 on challenge account is 1 day. Otherwise, my TP would be. Oh yeah. Exactly. So the challenge phase or evaluation phase or whatever you want to call it, they have a daily limit. I mean, not daily, consistency rule, which is 50%. So yeah. How the Oracle? Hey, how are you doing? The man himself, Trader Oracle. Welcome. Would also be nice. Yeah. Yeah, there is a consistency rule. Good to know it. On the evaluation phase, there is a 50% consistency rule with TOPSTEP. I thought everybody knows that from TOPSTEP. Anyway, still waiting for this. But look at that. Dirty move. Could add to the short. Yeah, maybe. I'm not adding to this one. Although I could, but I'm not going to add. Flexi trade, yeah. I heard about them, but I haven't tried them. If you guys are looking for something else, I still have code for Take Profit Trader down in the description. No activation fee. $102 for a 50k evaluation account, which includes the activation fee as well. Link and code down there. Also trade day link and code down there in the description of the stream. So 20 accounts max. Wow. Heard about them. I did. Look at this move. Oh man, I don't know what's it doing. I don't know. Could be just a healthy retracement. Internal liquidity sweep. Yeah, this is good. Go lower. We're taking internal liquidity. Yeah, many PD arrays to take. Yeah, I think so too. So good chance that this is going to be an internal liquidity sweep. Gap tap drop. Exactly. So I'm not going to move my stop. If it trades above my entry, it's more than likely it wants to go above like 560-ish, or hold on. Yeah, about 560 or higher. So I think my stop is going to be in a good place if I exit at break even, so let it be. But it's teasing. It's definitely playing with the nerves there. Look at this. This is the beginning of 40-80 points up. Oh no. FX and trophy again. Come on, man. Again with this. Don't do this, man. This potential shouldn't go above 42-ish. Yeah, if it takes me out, I don't care. Oh man, it was looking so good. Coming for swap long, 530 exit, 540. Nice quick trade. Yeah. Weave up. Yeah. Weave up. Sorry. Look at this dirty move. It's not. It's market structure. Yeah. 840 CF Asia range. Yeah, could have been. Hmm. 840. Anyway, it was a good run. We had some good time together on this. But this is it, you know. This is it. Oh no, we're close. We are very close. Now it's gonna go up. Unfortunate. What can we do, right? I would be amazed if this one would go down without taking me out. But I think it will go up. We have the equal highs up there. Don't forget. At 67. So more than likely it's gonna go up. They have the structure shift here in this gap. So now it's gonna go. Oh no, it's gonna take me out. We had a good run on this one. It was so close. It was very, 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 very close. And come on, there she goes. Come on, there she goes. All right. VWAP is wrong, by the way. This is not. I mean, I didn't use the VWAP on this one, but there she went. This is the end of this. GG. Yeah, 15 minutes. You fight at that 520 level. Let's check the 15 minutes. 15 minute 520. Yeah. We still have the equal highs up there at 68. Could go up there. This one can turn out to be like a real strong bullish move. Like going fast through the 67 from here. Should be going through 58 now. Yeah, we were down at 15. Yeah, we were down. Was there some news in the morning? I haven't even checked. No news. So should be going through 58 from here. Overall loss. Oh. Well, that's why I went to break even. NQ from weekly BC and daily BCC had bullish SMT with ES. Internal SL 500 was just a bait on bookmap. Could be. Well, the only reasonable target is that's left is the 67. So relative equal highs at 67. I would even go for a long from here, to be honest. I might even try it. What would be the risk on this trade? All right. I'm in it to win it. My TP is gonna be 66. It's a scalp. Let's see if we go for it. The high is 67. Try to get out at 66. It goes up. Let's see, 52, 66, 5. That should be at least a small profit. Let me show you guys. Okay. Let me go back to the 1 minute. So here it is. I'm trying to scalp it for the relative equal highs up there, which is right here. That would be my target on this move. Strong move. Hopefully we'll get it. I'm not FOMOing. I'm just saying that if this target didn't work out, the other target, which I was also talking about in the trade analysis, should be the equal highs. So I had the retracement. Wasn't that perfect here. So that's why I entered late here. Was the retracement. So my reasoning was clear for me to go for the equal highs up there, if it wants to go for it. Actually, that's not just 2 highs, there's 3 highs up there. See what it does. What if they don't work both and keep seek and destroy? Well, then if this goes to a loss, I am going to wait, and definitely I would only enter the next trade if this would be just an internal liquidity sweep and goes down again. Then on the 5 minute, I would say I would wait for the next move. You know what Maverick says in Top Gun? Don't think, just do. You know? Hello, Dominic. Hello, good to see you. I never trade London before big news announcement. Yeah, I mean, understandable. Also, if this would go to consolidation or small drawdown, I would also close it with a small loss. I don't know. Don't think, just lose. We could say that. We could, but that's not the goal. The goal is to win. The goal is to make profits. Don't think, just win, you know. Rhymes better. Oh, look at that. It just stays like that. What a shame. No, goes down. Okay. Also, Maverick was the least graded from the generations. I knew you'd say something like that. Epics and trophy. Others were colonels, admirals, or even generals. State captain. That's actually true. You know, can't argue with that. But you know, why he stayed captain? So let's go for the more passionate side of the things. Because he was a fighter pilot. You know, he was the one who was out in the fields showing up, you know, and you know, doing the job, you know, always putting himself on the line, you know, while the other ones were you know, pushing papers in their offices like admirals and stuff like that. Even though I'm super sorry for Iceman, but you know, he was also pushing files on his desk. So F it, I'm gonna close this. I closed the button. It's the okay. Look at my hands. When I closed, I mean, I pushed the button that took like 3 seconds to close the trade. Anyway, at least I made some profit. Any thoughts on gold? I don't know. So don't think just to applies very little here. He had a death wish that never happened yet. What was the death wish? His Iceman's wish was to teach Bradley, or what's his name, or to teach them the mission, or what it was. I don't know. Yeah, my man. Thank you, Prasad. Hey, Cobra. Now flies 50 point higher. Could be. Did it take out? It still didn't take out 67. Close though. It's just Sapo. I'm not Tom Cruise. I'm Tom Sabo. Don't think, just do. Anyway. Anyway, let's see what is happening. Don't think, just move the lawn. Actually, that worked out, Oracle, because the guy was using the lawnmower this morning too. So it was actually working out. This indicator was absolutely 100% spot on this morning. He's not from the movie. He's from Hungary. Yeah, I wish I would be from the movie. Your motto should be, don't do it, first think. Yeah, but that's boring. We're stuck in a new week opening gap. You're funny, Tom. You and Methodical Man are funniest. Thank you, AS. Thank you. Thank you. You know, trading is one of the most boring things I have ever done in my life. Although I love trading, but it's one of the most boring things in the whole world. You know, that's what I think. So, why not have some fun? Why not joke around? That's the thing that we can, you know, that can keep us alive. So why not fool around? Tom, just out of curiosity, how are you placing your stops? Are you using ATR or just structure? Mostly just structure. So for example, let me go back to the chart. For example, originally, let me zoom it out. I missed my entry. Here, this was my stop loss, okay, from earlier. But let me put this here. My long entry was this. I don't know if you guys can see it. Was it 52? Here's the small arrows with 2 micros. Or no, it was 5 micros. Originally, I was waiting for my entry to go down here to this gap. But the time I realized I missed my entry by 3 points, so that's why I entered here. So my stop was down there, and 67, 66 was my TP, and the 1-to-1 stop loss. So I go with at least a 1-to-1, which should have been here. So my stop would have been here. Worst case scenario, maybe below that that swing low down there, but it's like 3 points lower. So try to keep the stop loss like based on structure, but at least at 1-to-1. That would have been the case here. Miran, hey there from Slovenia. Hey there, Miran. Miran, you're new in the Discord, right? Yesterday I wrote you a message and I want to send you the entry model course. Prasad, I'm not single. Yeah, Miran, so yesterday was a super long day and I'm going to grant you access to the mini course, and we're going to chat a little bit there in the Discord too. I'm curious about your experience and what I can help you, so we're going to dive into that. Oh yeah, Marco is Slovenian as well. Awesome, guys. Awesome. So okay, look at this. It's breaking higher. You're shorting gold. You're here for fun. That's nice. Most boring thing, wait until you're married. I just read that oracle, thank you. Now I know why I stopped trading London. Almost 1:30 a.m. here in Cali, and I'm damn near falling asleep watching this. Brando, this is trading and this is London session. Usually it's like this. No wonder everybody wants some action in New York. And that's why I also want the DEX to be able to be traded by, not just by TOPSTEP, but from other prop firms. That would be awesome. Sorry guys, I was just watching some charts, trying to figure out what can happen. Obviously we took out these levels, and if I look at the higher time frame, for example the 15, there's nothing here. Small, tiny buy side at 79, so I think the move is not over yet. We can still go to 79, and above that we have a buy side on the 1 hour chart. So we're gonna stay bullish for now. It seems like it. It definitely seems like it. Tom, are you aware of that ATF extended another 3 days? Yeah, I know. So the sale is extended until Monday. The 90% is still working until Monday on Apex. So check him out. The BULENOX sale, so far as we know, is ending today. Lifetime 90%, so not just the first month. And TOPSTEP also ends the sale today. You can have you can use the code 5 times for a 50k combine account for only 29 bucks. Check the pin message, use the code, click on the link and use the code. Yeah, they should be making it permanent. I think the 80% so far is going to be permanent. Okay, so friends, this is a good idea. On the daily time frame, we can see that we poked lower, took some liquidity here, and it could be pushing once more inside this fair value gap, both on the weekly and the daily. So it can very well be like the classic thank God it's Friday setup, which means we could be rallying all the way up to 79 from here even, you know. I wouldn't be surprised. Kill zone is still there, so why not? Yeah, so I'm thinking that it should go to 79. Let's see if we get there. Can we retrace 535? We can, actually. We can. I would not be surprised if we would retrace back below the 550s at minimum. You know. And, you know, there's a swing low here. If you look at the 5-minute, I would say we can go back to 550s from this area. Why not? You're off back to bed, yeah. Yeah, most likely the New York Open will bring us something better. It's a little bit crazy anyways. London always. I mean, this could be a bullish breaker, obviously. So we could be heading back down to 51 from here. Would not be surprised at all. I mean, obviously, if this is a bullish breaker, which it seems like it is, on the 15-minute, the next liquidity level is, what's the low of this candle? 52. So yeah, could go down. Limit order. Yeah. Hey there, crypto. I'm watching this closely on the lower time frame, but the 15-minute could be retracing back. I mean, pulling back down to some liquidity maybe, but then it has to go below the 52s. Otherwise, it could be popping back up to, for example, the 79s. You don't know. I don't have a TP on this. Took longs on 5-minute BC. All right. Let's see how this goes. If it goes back below 52 for liquidity, could be looking for a possible continuation, and then we can target well, up to the 600s maybe, but I'm curious if it really wants to take liquidity down there or not. So it needs to go like 8 points down to sweep the 15-minute breaker. For now, it doesn't look like it wants to. But what's the time? We're still in the kill zone. Who knows? I don't know. I'm just watching it and curious if I could get some entry, but there's nothing. Maybe if there would be a displacement, at least on the 1 minute. I'm watching the 1 minute too, but Nothing so far. Load up your guns for longs. All right. I do think just do it. Just do. Don't think. Just do. Yeah. I should. Maybe I should. I don't know. But there's a gap on the 5-minute, also on the 15-minute as well, and it's just at that 52 level. So as much as I would like to go long, for example, and now it swept these highs, I mean, this could go down and sweep more liquidity, and I would like to go long from there, but you know, it's just not doing it. So the next level would be the 79. Well, I gotta wait. No other way around this for me. I'm just wondering if this level at 52, and also we have the weave up down there. Oh no, I don't know. Sideways action. Hard to decide. This 15-minute candle is closing in 40 seconds. So maybe the next one is gonna push once more to the 79. Could be seeing that happening. All right, new 15-minute candle starting. All right, let's see. Small drop, nothing significant, just 2 points. I don't know. All right, I'm heading to sleep. Yeah. I'll be up in a few hours. Yeah, I think, you know, this is typically the session when we cannot do anything here. So thank you so much, Brando, for being here. But this session, you know, it is what it is. At least I had a good scalp, but it's hard. Maybe we have the rally later in New York. Now it seems like Nasdaq has been completely plugged off. It's turned off. It's official. Has been turned off. Yeah, see you at New York Open. This is very slow. Tom, you know, this morning we have PCA index. Yeah, I know that. Yeah. Picked up a few more accounts. Thank you, Brando. Brando, you're the man. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you. And best DJ in town. You guys are awesome. Thank you very, very much for the support. You guys are great. And everybody who supported. Okay, look at that. It might be looking to go for that 52, but I don't know. Anyway, everybody is awesome. What should we do? Risk management is the most expensive lesson, Michael. Is the most expensive lesson. And everything works so differently on the valuation and the funded accounts. So everything is different. We may see that a sell-off, but don't forget it's Friday. And as I said in the beginning of the stream, Fridays usually rallies happening 90% of the time in New York because it's Friday and end of the month. Don't forget it. End of the month. Last day, Friday. You know, some crazy moves could be happening, especially in New York. So I'm not going to be holding an 8-hour long stream for today. I can tell you that for sure. So I'm going to cut it and come back in the New York session. I am super tired this week because I was doing these 8 and 9 hour streams. Anyway, honestly, guys, I don't know what kind of trade to enter here. Everything is dead, and everybody's gonna wait for the news anyway. So the only target I have here is the 79. But first, we might sweep the 52 as a liquidity, and then the 79. Obviously, it could be difficult. Yeah, portfolio balancing. It will be a crazy ride. So guys, with that being said, I think I'm going to cut it here and come back for the New York session. I'm going to schedule it for before the news, so maybe 8:15 or 8:20 a.m. because there's really nothing to do right now. London is officially dead. So yeah. We here don't leave. What can I do? I mean, what can I do? I have some other stuff, IRL stuff to do until we wait for the news. So guys, I'm gonna leave you guys here for New York until New York. I'll be back So I'm gonna schedule it for 8:15 or 8:20. All right. So I'll be back. Thank you so much for staying. We had at least one good scalp, but I don't want to risk anything more here. So use the codes last day for BULENOX and last day for TOPSTEP. Check them out. Apex extended until Monday. So thank you so much again. Man, bummer. No, male gossip is a disease. Guys, I'll be here in New York session. I'll be back before the news, all right? So stay tuned. Hope to see you guys, all right? Love you all. Stay tuned. We'll be back. Cheers, everyone. I'm tired. Have to get a coffee. Hey, everyone. Bye.